Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by selecting your audio interface input and creating a new audio track in Logic. Set the project to 48K Hz for clarity. Open the track inspector and enable record enable and input monitoring so you hear yourself. Next, check gain on the interface. Aim for peaks around -6 dB to preserve headroom. Place a pop filter and position the mic an inch or two from the singer. This reduces plosives and keeps consistent level. Once done, prepare to arm Logic's transport and rehearse a take. Now refine monitoring and take strategy. Turn on low latency mode in Logic to avoid distraction from timing lag and bypass heavy plugins like look-ahead limiters during tracking. Use light compression and a gentle high pass in the monitoring chain so the singer hears a comfortable, musical sound. This helps pitch and delivery. Record multiple takes, 2 to 4 per section, so you have options. Once done, label takes and enable cycle record for repeated passes. These steps make comping efficient and keep performances consistent. Finish by comping and cleanup. Select your takes and use quick swipe comping to draw the best phrases into one coherent track. Then, trim edit boundaries and add short crossfades to avoid clicks. Remove excessive breaths and tighten timing with small nudges. Apply a gentle de-esser and tasteful compression on the comp to smooth peaks. If something goes wrong, like latency spikes or audio dropouts, increase the buffer size, update or reinstall your audio drivers, and check cables and clocking. These fixes resolve most tracking issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.